1, 2, 3, 4. Come on, baby, say you love me 5, 6, 7 times. Chicken breast, or as some of you like to call them, chicken titties.
No one says that, but yes.
Hello, everybody. Welcome to Bobby Boy Living, if this is your first time here. Jason, is it your first time?
Definitely not.
I didn't think so. If it is your first time, welcome. I am the cheesiest amateur chef you're ever gonna meet in your life. I also enjoy a tequila cocktail.
I'm not an alcoholic, but I do like a good drink.
Jason, you know what we're making today?
Something to do with breasts.
So today, I'm gonna show you how to make, I like to call them in this household, buffalo chicken titties. Or you can call them buffalo chicken breasts. It's just another spin on how you come home from work, you're busy, you're tired. A nice spread that you're gonna put on top of it, bake it in the oven, 375 degrees, 20 minutes. You are good to go. Did have a kind of a crazy day, so it's just. The reason why you wanna do this is because you wanna get them even, if you can't hear me, because the chicken will cook even, right? Kind of feel like one of those characters in like the mob movies where like they're trying to get something out of the witness and they're like, put your hand on the desk, put your hand, they're like, no, 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 they're like, bam! So, just my thought for the day. Someone might not be having a good day. Would you like for us to cut? You never seen somebody pound a chicken titty?
No, I haven't.
Diet Coke's bad for you. It's bad for you. Now that I've pounded them out, chicken titty, who won? So after you pound them out, this is how they should look. Again, remember 30 minutes, room temperatures. They say 30 to an hour, but I'm not gonna lie to you. I get very nervous if it's an hour. I don't wanna die. And you pound them out. Now you want to salt and pepper them vigorously. So after you salt, you wanna do a little pepper. Yeah, we're gonna move this aside. I've said it before, I'm gonna say it again. You have to grade your own cheese.
Now, why on God's green earth would I grade my own cheese when I could buy it at the store already graded? Save my time. Time is money. I'm a busy man.
It's better. It does taste better. Harriet! Ooh, I need a little Jesus juice. Closer to God. A lot of people that I admire that are great cooks, chefs, like whatever, they always say like me, like they cook just like with their feelings, whatever. They don't really measure a lot. But I feel like on here, if I didn't measure, you'd be like, how in the hell do I make that? I'm just gonna see if I eyeballed this right. Did I eyeball it? I mean, pretty much close. I would give myself an A-, B+. There we go, half a cup of cheese. I originally saw this on TikTok. I only kind of did a little detour. The original recipe is a half a cup of shredded cheese of your liking. I like cheddar. It is a half a cup of sour cream, half a cup of melted cream cheese, and then I'm gonna add a few things that I like to the seasoning. So, half a cup of sour cream into your half a cup of shredded cheese, and I'm feeling a little lethargic today, Jason. Do I look it? Do I feel it? How's my energy level? Ooh. No, she didn't. I am on my keto journey still, so I know you see the panko. First of all, you could make these with pork rinds. It's not as crunchy, but it kind of still gives you the texture-ish. You know, it's like 50% of the way. However, the store was out of pork rinds, which I don't know what people are making, unless they're all on their keto journey as well. What I realized is when I'm on keto, every 10 days, I give myself a little break, right? So it's like a meal. And so this will be my little break, because this will have panko, half of one of these, which is gonna be carbs, because it's a third cup of this is 20 carbs. It's basically your daily intake for keto. If I lost you, I'm sorry. If you're bored and you tuned out, I'm sorry. It can kick you out, but it's not detrimental, and it keeps you motivated to like now do the next 10 days, because life is short and you have to enjoy good food. This is a little dry ground yellow mustard. See that right there? This is a teaspoon, you know, on steroids. Now you're gonna mix it up as much as you can. Oh, hello. Sometimes I wonder like what his deal is. Would you like to come in? Oh. Now that you have that all mixed up, you are going to spoon it over your chicken breasts. So Jason, I kind of know where your mind's at. Do not stick a chip in this after because this spoon is touching the chicken breast.
Touching Sam and Ella.
Ella, hey. You know how Rihanna, she DMs all the housewives if she likes them. If she watches like the episode and she'll be like, girl, you looked good tonight. I'm like, can you get into real estate and start watching $1 Million Listing and then just kind of maybe think I'm funny and then just say, hey B. All right, now you're gonna do a cup of panko breadcrumbs. There we go. Garlic salt. All right, this is a teaspoon and it's gonna be 1 on steroids. You want some smoked paprika? Kind of the same thing, equal parts, you know what I mean? Just mix it up like so, like that. Yep, that is going on the parchment paper. And yes, it is gonna get dark and crispy. That's okay. That's it, you're done. Put it in the oven. 375 degrees for 20 minutes, depending on, these are thicker than usual, so it might be a little longer, but again, in the oven. And then you make your BFF, Jason, a drink. Like that. It's time to get the chicken. You pull it out of the oven, you want it to be 165 degrees, and you also want to let it sit. Okay, you're gonna let it sit for 10 minutes. Let all the juices stay in, just let it. Finishing touches, once you plate it, add your parsley, because you're fancy. All right. Gorgeous. Let's see what this is all about. Little slicing, a little dicing. That is a beautiful piece of chicken. I ain't gonna lie to you like that down here in Perth. All right, here we go. Here goes. The mustard. I mean, I guess you have to like mustard to like this because it has a kick, but then you get like the buffalo sauce, and you get the creamy texture from the cheese. I ain't gonna lie to you, like I said. Look at that juicy little tender. This is worth every carbohydrate from like the little panko breadcrumbs. This is good. Bitty, that's all, folks. If you enjoyed yourself, hit the like button, comment, subscribe to this guy, and ring that bell for notifications so you can see the next chicken titty recipe. I'll see you guys next week for a new recipe from Bobby Boyd Living, and I'm gonna go find my dignity. Bye!